I'm going to show you guys a cute little quick easy makeup look to do when you're on the go and you need to just do something quick with not a lot. So first I'm going to just grab, like I'm probably just going to do one. Oh my god, that was way too much. Little finger right there. Maybe again right there. And just like anywhere you want foundation. And then you can just blend it out like really quickly. And now I'm going to grab some concealer, and I'm not even gonna I'm just gonna grab all the excess and put it on the bottle. And that was way too much. I'm just gonna put most of it in the corners of my eyes, or just where you get most of your under circle thingamajigs, dark circles. I got a burp. And if you guys are like losing color on your face, and like if you like in real life my face looks perfectly fine, but I will add a tiny bit of a beauty blush just on your like when you smile, put it on your like apple of your cheek and then blend it kind of towards your eye and then out. Okay, because you're never blending to it, you're never blending down or it to in. And if you want to do more steps, but if you just want to do like, okay, and now you're going to curl your eyelashes, okay? You're going to curl your eyelashes, but if you want to add, like, powder and all that on, you can add that on before your eyes. Okay, and now you're going to grab a really light mascara and just going to put it on. Jesus, I almost got it on my cheek. Okay, and now you're just going to add it on. I need to stop burping. I'm drinking like sparkling water because it's just the quickest thing that was next to me. So just do the same thing to your other eye. And now I'm just gonna add like a tiny little bit of powder. You can't even barely see it, but I just want to touch myself up. If you want to, you can use a tiny bit of highlighter, but this is the finished look. I love it. You can put on like a lip gloss if you want. I'm probably gonna put on like, man, why'd you make a loud noise? You can probably put just a little bit of lip gloss on if you want to make it look natural. But ending this up, I feel like you guys should really try it out if you're going like somewhere and you're not allowed to wear like a lot of makeup out, but you just want to wear something cute and simple. This is your makeup look. Bye.